Yo. All right. We're not doing anything super fancy here. I just need to sit down and get this done, so I wanted to come in and stream while doing it because I don't know the next time I'm going to be able to stream. And I really haven't streamed almost at all this week just because I've had so many meetings. It's ridiculous. And I've been trying to get better about not working on the weekends and stuff. And I know with like Black Python devs, usually the weekends are like the time that I have, but I really got to get better at not doing that stuff. So we're doing it now. We're doing it now. Before we got coffee and code in about an hour 45. So yeah. Hope everybody's having a good one. We're happy to share with you our proud sponsors who offer It's gonna be easy. Once I sit down and do it, like it's easy. Also, Copilot can do most of this. I don't really need to do much. The only challenge with the ones that we have so far are that they are both one-time codes. Like you have to know the code instead of putting the instead of just having like a link that you can click on. Partner name, partner description, partner URL. That's okay. That works. And then we can just do config.yaml. No, data. Yeah, let's do data partners.yaml. Which reminds me, I need to make a YAML parser for Render Engine. It'd be relatively easy to do. I just need to do it. Actually, don't we already have one? Nope. Focus. This is the problem. This is the exact problem that I run into where I'm like, I wind up starting to do a thing. And then I'm like, I just need to blah, blah, blah. And then all of a sudden, I'm not getting anything done because I'm distracted. That's the truth. And apparently trying to open up Twitter, which is bad for my health. Apparently Twitter was like not wanting to do anything. Boom, there we go. All right, so yeah. This is like one of those things where I need to do like, I'll just make a note of it. There we go. So I'm pretty sure I've got a YAML parser already set up, but like, take the notes, write them down. Like, otherwise I'm gonna forget. All right, so we've got this new thing, and honestly, I don't even know what that is supposed to look like anymore. So VSP config, not config.yaml, data. Let's try to remember what conferences looks like. So it's just flat, straight up like that. Okay, so we could just do this, and we'll do name. First one's going to be Talk Python training, right? Promo code is going to be whatever he sent me in that email. Ignore all the stuff I gotta work on for that. That's other stuff. Where are we? Thank you. Cool. There we go. What? No. Okay, name, promo code, description, and then description is just going to be and you use the promo code and use the promo code that. What happens then? Shouldn't you say proceeds? Because it's not really proceeds. It's like the purchase. Okay, something like that. Oh, and these all need to be indented. Oh. Why can't I type right now? Because my phone's vibrating. Python morsels. It would be nice to auto apply these to like a clipboard, to do like a JavaScript clipboard thing where like you click it and it's like promo code applied or promo code added to clipboard or something like that. That's an issue that we can add. All right, so what are the issues we need? YAML parser for render engine. And then we need a copy to clipboard JavaScript, because that would be great. That would be fantastic if we could add that. Anybody that knows how to do that, let me know. See, when you use the wait, what did I do wrong there? Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Close that. Close that. Go back. Why do I keep breaking stuff? There we go. These need to be escaped. So this is going in HTML, right? So I think we just do strong, or no. We'll try that. We'll see how that looks. Because I want to make sure that it turns out okay. I think it is also $30 off, course purchase. Which actually we need to figure this out. When signing up for the program. There we go. Cool. All right, so we've got that now. So now it's just a matter of, we also need to, let's go here and then let's do, what do we need to do? We need to go to our config, right? Oh, I think we just do data. I think we do data dot partners. So I think data is globally defined. So we can do data dot partner name, data dot partner description. We should probably have a URL for these. which is fine. We don't actually have one for this one yet, so I gotta make it up. It's gonna be nose.com slash training talk Python partnership. Cool. We do have the URL for this one already, so it's just a matter of finding it. Like Python devs, like the latest blog post. So yeah, data partner URL for this. And close that, close that, close that, and then make sure that's there. Get add, not dit, get add. Get commit. Whoops, forgot the dash M there. Yeah. This is why I use LazyGit, because LazyGit will just auto upstream it based on settings. What? All right. Now what I want to do is I want to do that. Submit that. Let's check GitHub. The reason I'm doing it this way too is there is some weird issue that I keep bumping into where for some strange reason, my local instance of the website, sorry, I'm trying to fix my mic. The local instance of the website doesn't load the, it doesn't load the jekyll instance correctly. I don't know why. One of these tests is gonna fail. I think it's the playwright test. Pre-commit's good. But the thing I like about this is I can just come in here, hit this, and then open in a code space and call it a day. So that way it's like I can just come in, load the code space up. Once the code space is finished loading, then I can view the changes, and then as long as they work the way I expect them to, I can then make those changes. I don't know why they don't want to work locally, but I also don't want to mess with it all that much. So if I do like, what was it? Bundle exec jekyll serve, something like that. You must use bundler 2 or greater with this lock file. Okay, well, I want to. Okay. Gem install bundler, I guess. Let's install the latest version. Okay, that's doing its thing still. We've also got this whole like, you don't have write permissions for library gems directly? Wait, what? Oh, my bad. Brew. Oh, that's my fault. Brew gem install bundler, I think is the command. Is you do it through brew, and then it does it, and then it updates. We loaded yet? Yeah, we did. Okay. Bundle exec can't type serve. Okay, cool. Like I said, more than anything, I just want to make sure. No, we're good. We're keeping those. Oh. Like I said, sometimes it's just easier to jump into the terminal. Oh. It's finishing up now. It's doing the thing. Wasn't done yet. Again, be so much easier once this is on render engine. Let's see. NV posts. We're gonna say 2024 8/16. Talk Python. Training. Partnership. Probably should have added a .md to that. Probably shouldn't. So it doesn't need to be a lot. It's not uber complicated. We're not doing, you know, anything too complex. Why does it keep wanting to add code blocks when I do that? Is that like a... Oh, I bet I have a text expander snippet or something that's like... That's weird. Oh, it's because there were code blocks up here. So it was just like, it was just trying to wrap them. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is an interesting thing that we need as well. We need to add markdown ignore. So that's another one, another issue. That's MD13. Yeah, line length ignore is always annoying. That's like one of those that I'm always just like, why do we even have that? It's gonna flag every single time. Cool. Again, I don't know why that's broken, so I'm just gonna run it back. Yeah, see, now it works. And we can see, like I said, I'm a little concerned that it might not work. Oh, it would also help if we included it in our, what do you call it? Homepage. So we need to also go to our index. Nope, we need to go to our... Oh, yeah. Oh, no. It's in the templates, right? Templates... Or includes? Is that what it is? Includes... Articles, layouts... Index, boom, like that. Whoa, 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 calm down. Good Lord. Cool. Now the question is it actually called that? Includes partner, we call it partnerships. Of course we did. Okay. All right, so now we can just lazy get it. Yeah, we're adding that. We're adding that. I also need to change the link on the other one. What do we call it? It's just this, just whatever this part is. Let's commit that. Add post and block to index. Sweet. Push that. Exit out. And then we're gonna copy this. Boom. And then we're gonna go back into our data.partnerships. We're gonna rename partners to partners, and we'll actually just call it partnerships, because, you know, it would be nice if we actually did things correctly. So move data partners to data partnerships. There we go. Cool. Okay, so now we should be able to actually go back into here, pull down our changes. Tag was not properly terminated. What? What? I'm sorry, what did I do wrong? I don't... Is it in the actual... Includes partnerships? Yep. N4. Oh, I bet the run failed. 100% the run failed. Get add, boom. Fix error on for loop. Boom. There we go. Oh, it didn't comment out the comment. That's annoying. Also, it didn't load the data in, which is interesting. How do we... Let's learn more. First, let's find out how do we... Let's remove that. Includes partnerships. I could have sworn that was how you did that. Okay, we'll get rid of that, and then we'll... Do we not have a conferences? Yeah, conferences. Layout, default lang. I could have sworn there was... Include... Okay, so it's in includes. Includes conferences, site data. Okay, that's why. Okay, so now if we do includes partnerships. So we fixed something. Oh, remove comment and fix data ref. Cool. Still not loading. But it's... Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's... If site data conferences, there we go. That's what we needed. We gotta actually pull that for partner in site data partnerships like that. I really miss my bindings. I thought there was like a shortcuts thing that you could get. That's gonna be a thing to add. Get shortcuts, binding. Okay, I might actually have to go and like find that. Get shortcuts. Yeah. Oh, you put them in your Git config? Interesting. That's interesting. That's interesting. Okay, so your git config global. Yeah, just edit the git config file. All right, well, I guess we're gonna edit our git config file. What's up, y'all? It's your boy. I'm kidding. We're not gonna jump straight into video there. All right, so we've turned this into, hey, what's up, everybody? We've turned this into, now we're going to update our git config file because I'm getting tired of typing the things that I know what they are. I just don't know the, I know the commands for them. I just am always like, I am tired of writing this whole thing. Okay, so that's updated. That's done. Did it work, though, is the question. Survey says no, it did not work, which is annoying. All right, so we're going to pause from that really quick, and we're going to update our git config file. Let's open up a new session. I wish I could name it now. Git config. That didn't work. That just attaches to the last one. All right, so if we do that, we'll just do new session like that. All right, get out of there, and then go into .git config. I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure I don't have anything in there that's like scary. I don't have like keys or anything in here. So then we have let alias. Let's do a test of something. We'll do, according to them, yeah, alias this equals that. Cool. And I guess you just do the thing. So the question is, you still do the git, you just don't do the other stuff? That's wild. Okay, I mean, that makes sense. I forgot what tool I had. There was another thing that you could do that was like, if I did like gcam, it would say like git commit all whatever. So yeah, for this, we're going to just say git cam is going to equal, yep, perfect. Thank you, Copilot. P is push. Capital P is pull, because I push way more than I pull. Co is Kobe. That's what I need is Kobe. Like Kobe. I don't want COB though. I honestly want CO to be checkout branch. Cause I would much rather say like, I would rather you check out a branch and then like if I want to check out an individual file, like that's fine. COD, not COD. BD branch delete, thank you. S is status, D is diff, L is log. We don't want one line. Yeah, one line, why not? And hist is history. Okay, let's try those. So now let's go back into our session list. Ike, come on now. If you do get hist, it's kind of clean. I like it. I like it. Okay, cool. So now, wait a minute. Actually, I need to do that again. Head partnerships update loop call into data, and that is head, and that is up to date with origin. Cool. Get status. It's clean. I like that. That honestly feels great. And now that's when I'm like, where's my markers at? So I can clip that out and be like, hey, that was a small video. That's a YouTube short right there. We'll make a YouTube short of that. Task, YT short, boom. If someone else wants to make that short so I don't have to, that'd be fantastic. That's what I was looking for. Not what I was looking for. Not what I was looking for. I could have sworn I had like a markers, overlay recordings. Oh, maybe it's because I'm... Oh, no, that's in the other thing. That's fine. That's fine. All right, cool. Well, we did the thing. We made our quick little section there, and I'll just copy that code over or something in the future. All right, so now we've got... Cool. All right, sweet. Back to this partnership thing. Why is this partnership thing not working? That's actually quite the mystery. Let's look back at the other one, because the other one does work. The conferences thing actually works. Conferences. Oh, that's yeah. Not worried about that. It is in include, not in includes. It is in. Maybe it is in includes conferences. Yeah. Nope. Do we need to do anything in config? I just want to double check that we don't have anything in like config going on that makes it work. Cram down, exclude plugins. Permalink. No. Double check it again. Actually, we'll just type conferences. It's just URL for the navigation page, which is fine. Yeah. That's fine. Bat. Layouts? Nope. Includes conferences. There we go. If site data conferences size is greater than 0 for conference and site data conferences, is that not what we did? I mean, we didn't do the if, because I mean, it would also help if we called it the right thing. That's actually probably what's NV. I mean, it's literally staring in front of me that we called. It's not case sensitive. That's annoying. That's annoying. All right. So we learned something new. That these are not case sensitive. Those are the same. Okay. Well. Why did it go back to... There it goes. Sorry, I was working on a thing. Again, we pull, we update, we view, we refresh. Okay, now I'm starting to not trust it because I don't know what else could be different. Do we just edit it in here really quick? Let's just edit it in here really quick. And I wish I could see the actual output that gets generated. Where's that at? Toast. Well, that was wrong anyway, but that wasn't going to be the thing. Site data partnerships. Did I not call it a YAML file? Oh my gosh. That'll get you. It's like these little things. This is why I kind of feel like I have to stream some things, because if I don't, I will just be like, I don't know why it's not working. I'm gonna try something else later. Okay, so we got the learn more links, which don't go to anything. So it's reading it. It recognizes that they exist now. What are we missing? What are we missing with this? It is 100% reading the partnerships data, because that's why there's 2 of them. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, fam. This is why I need my people here. We did a for loop. We called them partner to this. We said for partner in this. We don't need to call it any further than that. It's just partner description. This is one of the reasons that, like, not to get too much on a soapbox one way or another for I can't recall if I don't want to talk about Copilot like too much, because I think people are just kind of over the conversation around it. But yeah, see right here, perfect. Now it works. Oh, I need to link to that high five program though. The thing that was like frustrating me is that Copilot just goes off of what you've already done. So if you make a mistake early in, it's going to keep making that same mistake. And it'll make troubleshooting, again, like in my brain, I was just like, why is this not working? But it was 100% my fault. We're using Pico, so I think we can article these, right? If we article these, it should put them in little blocks, should grid them. Can't remember how that works, but we're gonna find out when we do this. Okay, yep, partnerships, talk Python training, da, da, da. Okay, so we want to grid that. I keep wanting to jump back into the terminal, which is a good thing, right? Partnerships, for partner and partnerships, we got to go above it. We need to do, oh my gosh, brain, yes, div, not that div, wrong div, div class hero, or not hero, what am I doing? Grid, div class grid, in that div after the n4. Yep, cool. There we go. That's what I was trying to do there. All right, so now we have those 2 deals. Learn more, boom, right there. Now the thing is, it went to the actual website, so if I click the other link, it's not gonna work. I should probably do a couple of things. We need to format this so that it actually goes to, this goes to the site, this goes to the blog post, the learn more blog post. I think we can do that. We can do that just fine. All right, so partner name, we're gonna say href, and then we're gonna go partner URL, cool. And then we need to go into this YAML file. That's an HTML, so we just need to say, is that a high five program here? We need to do a href equals the link to the high five program. Like I said, I would love to have both of them just make it so that if they click the link, it automatically applies it, but I don't want to mess with them too much. All right. So now update this Python morsels, top Python training. Perfect. Love to throw a logo in there, but one, I don't think there is a logo for the Talk Python training. They just have like a whole website thing. It's like that microphone type situation. Yeah, it's like this. I could take like that. And then take that. Oh, of course you use a SVG tray because you're smart. By the way, sign up for this. Use code BlackPythonDevs. Get yourself $30 off of it. Help yourself out. You also help out Black Python Devs by doing so. Thank you to our proud partners who are doing the thing. We need to put these in assets, images, zoop, and zoop. This is getting renamed. I'm sorry. Python morsels. .svg. This is talkpython.webp. Okay. Copy path, relative path. And then inside of our partnerships.yaml, we're going to say logo is equal to path. Also, that gets there. Logo is equal to the other path. How do SVGs work? You can't, I don't think you can just do image and then the SVG source, can you? Can you? We're gonna learn today. And then we want, let's do another grid. I can never remember how you do the alt. Is it just alt like that? And then we're gonna say partner name logo. And then the size, we're gonna force a size on this. Style is equal to height. Max height is, yeah, that seems like a totally cromulent answer in terms of height. Don't know if that's good or not, but refresh would help if I finished the thing. Because that's correct, but then we also need another div now. Kind of actually confused why that didn't save, but neither here nor there right now. Boom. Div, class grid, div image, partner, Okay, cool. This did not update the page. Did something break? Did not find key while parsing a block mapping. Oh, because I put partner. Bam! What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. Oh man. So true. Jeremy, so true. Hold on. I'm bringing up one. You've been saying that that's a frustrating thing with Copilot. Yeah. It'd be nice if there was an option to add a tag or comment as context for the model to not repeat mistakes. I think... I'm not going to say that I don't think that it's doable, but I think it is doable. Like, I think this is a thing that can be done. But I think it has to be done in the editor. I think, like, if you could take the code block that has an error on it, like, for instance, here, we'll play in this playground a little bit. Let's go to boom. Here we go. Bunch of errors here. So I got this error in this code block. The code itself isn't important. Don't worry about that. We've live streamed this in the past. I think that if you take this error and you say, oh, Pyrite has defined that there's an error. Because of that, I want you to send the information to Copilot to ignore those lines. Anywhere where there is an output error, ignore those lines from the context of the program. And I think if you did that, what it would do is it would let you make those mistakes, but it wouldn't use those mistakes it wouldn't keep making those mistakes. It would look at the rest of the code. I think that could work. I don't know the developer complexity of making that work. I just deleted the thing. There we go. There we go. But I think that is a reasonable solution to the situation. I just don't know why we can't have nice things like that. Why is it still yelling at me? Did not find. Okay, we're gonna, yeah, let's rerun this. Oh, let's see, what is it? Jekyll build -- trace. Did not find expected key while parsing block mapping at line 6 column. This doesn't help me at all. This is absolutely useless. Name, logo, description, URL. Name, logo, description, URL. Yeah. What are we yelling about? Did it not save? It looks saved. It's green. This is yellow, which tells me it's been modified. That was updated. The assets are there. Is it because the assets no, that's not it. What are we broken on? Partnerships.yaml line 6 column 3. Name. Did not find expected key. It has all the same keys. It has description, it has URL, it has logo, it has name, it has promo code. None of those things are different correct. I'm looking at this. I just want to make sure I'm reading this correctly. Did I forget to close a thing? Because that wouldn't be the first time I've forgotten to close something. I feel like I would have gotten an error if I would have forgotten to close something like that. Yeah, I don't see a problem. We're gonna commit these first and foremost. Yes. That's exactly my thought. The dev implementation would likely have to be a part of the ongoing fine-tuning of the core model itself. I don't think so. I think if we're talking about Copilot, I think if Copilot was like, we're going to turn this volume down a little bit. If Copilot was like, you could add a code block that says Copilot ignore, like something very similar to, yeah, we know. So get hooks, something wasn't right in the, oh, that's just the HTML. That's fine. That's fine. If you had something, oh, geez, get out of the working tree. Like this, you could do, like that is a thing. So many people, like Markdown lint does this, and you just do, like, I think if there's an error, you just append that. I think that's like a reasonable solution, but I think it would be something that the developer like would have to implement as a part of the LSP. So like I think Mason, the Python LSP, runs Pyrite, or that has Pyrite in it, has Rough in it. I think you would have to have them, but I think Copilot first has to say, we're going to acknowledge this pattern as a thing that gets added. Oh, I completely just wrote over that. My argument was, if you do something like that, you just do like Copilot and then in Copilot ignore, something like that. Because that's what Markdown does. Like that's what Markdown lint does. You just do Markdown ignore, Markdown lint ignore, and you can ignore for specific codes, and then in Markdown lint ignore. And you can do it for a block. You can do it for individual line. Yeah, sure. Add that, update, add logos. Yeah, okay. Everything passed, so commit. What is this error? All collection items must start in the same column? Okay. Why are you mad at me? What? Why is it mad at me? Something in this YAML file is just off. It's just like, no. Did I add a dash somewhere? Hold on. Name starts the right spot. Name starts the right spot. Promo code. It doesn't matter that they're not in the same order. That's not a, I mean, I swear, if that's the problem, we're going to have a problem. Promo code. Oh, and then I just made it worse. There we go. There we go. Again, I'm pretty sure that's not the problem. Isn't it fixing it? Seems like it's fixing it. What is it doing? Because we're getting into insanity territory now, where I'm like looking at this, just going, why is this not? I don't see a difference. I genuinely don't see a difference. These all end in double quotes. Is it because we have this href in here? Which, I mean, that's... I doubt it. Wayne! What's up? Wayne, how's the new job going? We want to know. Inquiring minds want to know. How's the gig, bro? What's going on with this YAML lens? I'm so frustrated right now. This YAML lint is like, so far so good. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. Something here is, what it's telling me isn't helping. Because it's saying that the URL, it's saying that like line 11, okay, end it, it's an end on a new line, like this one ends on a new line, no big deal. Get them certs, man, get them certs. Okay, so what happened? Unstaged files detected, stashing unstaged files to, oh, Lord. Okay, hold on. First things first, add the changes. Okay, that way they're staged. Oh my gosh. I hate it. I hate it so much. This is pre-commit, man. Freaking pre-commit. Bundle exec. Yeah, jekyll serve. Is it building? It's building now. I honestly don't know what was wrong with it. But oh, that's kind of big. It's kind of big. Let's make that smaller. Let's reduce that max height. Just a smidge. Let's where was that? That was in partnerships.html max height. We did it directly in here. Probably shouldn't do it directly in here, but also, hey, we are accepting open source contributions, so you can come in here and make it better. Much better. much better. All right, cool. Yeah. So now we've got these are set up. Hey, calm down. You're fine. Dog's having a conniption. Saw a dog outside. Like, oh, there's a dog outside. Gotta bark. Oh, what am I doing? Come on now. What am I using for the pretty pre-commit output in my terminal? I just pre-commit. I have some. Are you talking about? Oh, so one, if I'm in this code space, like this is all like pre-commit, like the application pre-commit. I think it does all of that. I don't do anything with that. And oh Lord. Okay, yes, fine, cool, whatever. Thank you. Update. Yes, we understand. Yeah, you're talking about like my environment is here. But I wanted to go and I just need to get into this code space and get this done. Yeah, refresh. Boom, 6 files changed. That's gonna run. We've already tested it, so we're good with that. We have confidence. We have our partnership pages up. Oh, that's the one thing I didn't check. We go here. Okay. I'm glad it actually went to the right page. Good job. And then the other one is, why can't I? Come on, brain. Wake up, brain. Boom. Yep. Sweet. All right. So that's good. This should actually probably be below. The newsletter thing should be below the thing. Oh boy. Okay. So this is just changing the order. That's fine. That is in header, join institution, include layouts, index. Thank you. Partnerships goes up one. And then we come here, we refresh, boom. Yeah, there we go. So now we have our corporate sponsors, then we have our partnerships, and then we have our support section, and then other stuff. So yeah, there we are. We need to change this photo. Change the photo to the one that we got from Kashal. Oh no. Okay, good. That's fine. Partnership set. Oh, I need to commit that. Commit that change. Boom. Change order. Sync it. Come up here. It's all good. Boom. Squash. Boom. And yes, I know I did it before it finished the test. One, our tests fail currently. Like they will always fail. The push test, this test will pass. Like that's fine. But our accessibility testing will fail. We've got like one small issue in there that I can't seem to fix. All right, cool. This is done. That gotta stay up. That's done. Close those. All right. So now, August 31st. What day is August 31st? Oh, it's Saturday. I could probably do Saturday, yeah. All right. So what are we gonna work on now? Oh, we need to figure out. Dang, we need to figure out this demo thing that I need to decide if I'm going to. Not this. This. Yeah. Okay. So right now, I'm pretty sure the last thing I did on this was I got rid of a bunch of stuff. I probably should have kept the trace testing in. The trace testing would have been good. What's the modify? Is there a way to selectively diff? Is there a way to selectively diff and revert changes in Git? Because that's kind of what I want to do. Git selective revert local changes. I believe you can do that simply with git checkout p. Oh, git checkout patch. Okay. Hey, that makes sense. Git checkout p docker compose YAML. That's what we want to do. Okay, and then it just asks you, do you want to keep these? Yes or no. Currency service. Wait. Discard this hunk from the work tree? No. Grafana. Yes. No. Wait, discard this hunk. Also no. I hope I did this the right way, because if not, we're just doing it backwards. Memory. I mean, that's just a... No. Logging. Here we go. Some of the logging stuff is where we need to start getting involved. Command start flag. That's all fine. No. Telemetry section. Haha. Telemetry components. No. A Grafana image. We don't need the Grafana images. No. Command. No. Logging environment. Ooh, we don't need the item for metrics endpoint anymore. No. Also no. Oh yeah, this is the stuff that we needed back. Yes. Okay, so now let's find out if we did it right. Docker compose.yaml. Let me go to the bottom. It's there again. Yay, we did it right. Perfect. All right. So now if we do, I don't remember the entire command for this, so we're gonna do a little. Whoa, hold on. Okay, I was about to say Docker compose up. Why did my command get deleted? Ugh. Okay, well, in that case, let's go to github.com/. What is it? You know what? github.com/Ivan Labs. Not the persona classifier, but the other one. All right. Elena's been cooking. Agents with memories. Hey, is this is doing the thing that I wanted to do? Ivan token. Turn on TFRs. Do your thing. What does it do though? This is kind of what I was wanting to do. I like it. Shout out to my coworker Elena for doing the thing. I kind of gave up on it, not because I couldn't do it, but because like afterwards I was like, I don't know how I like this, but I like how she's doing, because what it is it's basically saying like, if I understand this correctly, let's see. Agent, long-term memory, let's go here. You authenticate. Take a chain from lane chain. Yeah, lane chain. Yeah, you take a lane chain thing. Get long-term memory. Long-term memory index exists. This chain call. So basically, if I'm understanding this right, you have like an index name. You give it a name. If the name, don't you start freaking out again. I'm watching you. You're asleep now. You don't care anymore. No. 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 Don't be a butt. Dogs bark at anything. Yeah, run downstairs. Dog's a jerk. Yeah, what I'm guessing is with this, like, it creates, you have this index, and then you can reference that index to pull in the information from the thing. See, my coworkers are geniuses. Me, what I lack in knowledge, I make up in charisma. Where's this ClickHouse thing? ClickHouse open telemetry demo. There we go. Yeah. So, Docker. This is what I was looking for. We don't need that. Where's the command to start the thing? Where's the start the demo? Why do we? Oh, they use a make file. Interesting. Okay. Oh, and so yeah, they have this whole testing set up here. We're just gonna call that. Boom. Boom. That was the other thing I wanted to do, is modify alacrity Vim mode to escape. Escape key is delayed. New keyboard mappings. How to create a mapping. Gluten event? What? At this point, like, should log event pairs like this? No. The virtual key code is none. Print events. The value in the bracket of sum, which is none, to do a thing. I mean, insert that character. Okay. So if we do, that's still loading. You're fine. We can say alacrity print events. Is that what they did? Okay, boom. You didn't print the events though. Execute quote. Okay, now I'm just broken. Now I'm like, I have no idea what's going on. Okay, you know what? Nope. Let's exit that. Goodbye. Oh, okay, cool. It did it. Oof. What do we do? Some are text modifiers. Okay, let's do that again. Now we know what we're doing. We're going to type echo hello world. Then we're going to type up escape H. Then we'll close that and we'll type exit. All right. So I just wanted to, because I wanted to see hello world as the physical key X E. Good Lord. Search. Vim? Nothing in Vim. Escape? Or... No, I want to search up. There we go, search up. ESC. There we go. Logical key name, escape. Keyboard input, device ID, physical key, code, escape, logical key, text, press repeat, key event extra. I mean, we could just do that. That's fine too. Insert that character. What if you want 2 keys? Okay. VI mode style shape blinking. If the VI mode style cursor style is none or not specified, it will fall back to the active normal cursor. Blink interval. Bindings key. Regular keys like can be mapped directly without special syntax. I have VI pipe search. More than anything, I just want multiple keys. Huh. Now we file an issue. JK inherited configuration files. That would be amazing. Key rebinding assumes QWERTY. Ooh, that's an interesting. I mean, I'm glad that that's closed. Maybe it's fixed or something. I don't know. Support for ligatures. Multiple. Let's see. Key combo. Key combination. Key combination. Control +6. Alt space opens. We should run hints. Immediate crash on launch. Conditional triggers. Monaco font not displaying. Add support for. Okay. Toml key bindings. Control enter not working. Receive key send event. How can I hide toggle show system like key? Can't escape key combination. All control cannot be used. That makes sense. I think a lot of these can't be used like that. Unable to type into terminal. Only return key is accepted. Seg violation. Nah, that ain't it. Handful setting is not respected. Vim control stopped working. I'm like doing my best to do the right thing here, which is like read all these issues just to make sure that open Vim buffer via key bindings. All right, well, we weren't able to get it figured out, but I like that. That's kind of cool, actually. Initial release, close is completed. Oh, you can do that? What? Seems like a Tommel thing. All right, y'all. Well, we've got coffee and code starting in about 10 minutes, so I'm going to jump off now. This has been great. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. We got the things done that we needed to get done, which is always the task, always the goal. Yeah, until next time, thank you. Like, subscribe, all those fun things, and I'll see you later. Peace.